Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Yeah, we'll be going straight into the hair. The hair has already been washed and prepped for this style. I added leave-in conditioner. That's what the whitish sultan is on the hair. And the gel we're going to be using today is Echo Gel. Now I'm going to be starting with a cornrow. Yes, you pat your hair neatly. I've already done that before setting up the camera. So pat your hair neatly, then you start braiding the cornrow. Try braiding it a bit tight, but not too tight to pull the scalp, because you're braiding a child's hair, and this style can be used for any occasion. It's a quick style, a style that lasts 2 weeks or more depending on your hair texture. Okay, and it takes roughly 20-25 minutes to put together. If you're a non-professional, it can take you up to 45 minutes to get it done. But the good thing about it is that it's very simple and unique. Your child can rock it to wherever you want to go with her. Whatever occasion, the hair can serve for whatever occasion you want it to serve for, because it's just unique. So I will allow you to enjoy your video, and I will see you at the end of the tutorial, where I will be giving you 1 or 2 tips.
Be there through the rough parts of it all, holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know that you're broken, but that makes you who you are. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. I know what you're feeling, I see that look in your eyes. So pick up the pieces and show me you mean it tonight. 'Cause what I've been dreaming is giving you my paradise.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day,
Okay, all right. The tip now is comb the hair through thoroughly. Make sure you take away every knot from the hair before styling. And if you come across a place where the hair is very bulky, that you don't, if you flap twist, it doesn't work, you can do a 2-strand twist in order for it to be smooth. Yes, and if you have watched up to this moment, that means you love what you're seeing. Please support this channel by subscribing. Yes, it will do a lot of good, not to me only, but for the algorithm. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, share, comment. Tell me what you want me to do next. Tell me the style you want me to do next, and I'll be happy to do it. Thank you so much. I appreciate. We're a community here, and I want us to grow together. Thank you, and God bless.